The Indeb has a long tradition of supporting the work of Christian aid through our denominational appeals in some of the poorest countries of the world. Once again, this year we are going to be supporting the work of Christian aid in Colombia, a country where ordinary people face difficulties and injustices in their everyday life. We are going to support work which empowers women and marginalised communities, work with the environment, with the ecosystems, ensuring clean, fresh water for people in those communities. So during the year, let us work hard. Let us organise our events and raise funds and raise awareness of the work of Christian aid in Colombia and throughout the world. As Christian aid says, when we work together, we can make a difference.